Ready to share those slightly embarrassing moments with just your inner circle? Let's dive into creating a private story on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You should be on the camera screen now. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. It's the Bitmoji or profile picture you have set. This takes you to your profile page. Look for the plus icon next to the My Stories heading. Tap on that plus icon. A menu pops up giving you the choice to create a custom story. Tap on Private Story. Here's where the magic happens. You will see a list of your Snapchat friends. Select the friends you want to include in your private story by tapping on their names. A checkmark will appear next to their name when they are selected. Once you've chosen your friends, tap on the Create Story button at the bottom. Then you can give your private story a name that only you can see to keep stories organized. This could be close friends or family. Snapchat will confirm the creation of your new private story now. When you add to your story, you'll have the option to post to your private story. When you create a snap, tap the Send to button, and you'll see your new private story listed as an option to send to. Only the people you added to that group will be able to see that story. And that's it. You've successfully created a private story on Snapchat. Now you can share those inside jokes and personal moments with your chosen few. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks.